Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mich, and for this video, I will be sharing my Brazo de Mercedes cake recipe. For the ingredients, we need 3 pieces egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch, and then 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the custard, we need 1 tablespoon granulated white sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1/2 cup roll milk, 1/4 cup Brazo condensed milk, 2 pieces egg yolks, then 1 cup mango ice cream, pinalambot ko na. Tapos for the crust, we need 130 grams of your grahams. Tapos, 1/4 cup melted butter. So first, let's do the crust. Mix mo si grahams and the melted butter. Then, get your 9-inch baking pan, removable bottom. Press natin dito si crust. So, i-press mo lang si crust sa baking pan para at least mag-compact siya. Tapos, later, malinis tingnan yung sides. Then, after pressing your crust, lagay na natin yung ice cream. So, make sure pinalambot mo na si ice cream and I'm using the mango flavor. If walang mango, you can always use vanilla. After ni ice cream, freeze natin to for 2 hours. While fini-freeze natin yung ice cream, let's make the custard. So, just mix all the ingredients sa saucepan, tapos cook this one until mag-thick siya. Cook the custard until ganito na siya ka-thick. Okay. Tapos, set aside. So, let's proceed to our meringue. Let's mix the egg white and the cream of tartar together. And once frothy na si egg white, let's slowly add the 3 ingredients. Si sugar, salt, and then yung cornstarch. Lang siya until stiff, until ganyan. Let's get the cake ring. This is 9-inch cake ring. Tapos, aluminum foil sa bottom. If wala kayong cake ring, you can pipe the meringue. Spread mo lang. Then, i-bake natin to for around 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our meringue is baked already. After 2 hours, matigas na yung ice cream with crust. Okay? Then, assemble na tayo. Lagay na natin si custard na malamig na rin. Tapos yung top na si meringue. Let's sprinkle confectioner sugar on top. Then, freeze natin to ulit for 1 hour. There you go, our frozen Brazo de Mercedes. For the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!